Hey, I'm Bev, and this is the Restart Life Mama. If you're rebuilding your life after survival mode, you're in the right place. And today I want to talk about something I think more women need to hear. Small progress still counts. Because when you've spent years in survival mode, burnout, motherhood, heartbreak, trauma, or just trying to keep your head above water, small things are not small. Getting out of bed consistently isn't small. Drinking more water isn't small. Going for a walk isn't small. Making one better decision isn't small. But social media has convinced us that if our transformation isn't dramatic, fast, aesthetic, or impressive, then it doesn't matter. And that mindset keeps so many of us stuck. Because when your brain thinks, if I can't do it perfectly, why even start? You end up doing nothing at all. And that's a trap. You compare your small beginning to someone else's edited middle. You look at someone running a marathon while you're still trying to learn how to stand back up after survival mode. Of course, it feels discouraging, but what people don't understand is when you've lived in survival mode for a long time, your nervous system gets used to chaos, exhaustion, inconsistency, and overwhelm. So our wins look a little different at first. The real win is becoming consistent, showing up, building trust with yourself again, doing small things consistently enough that your life slowly starts changing. And honestly, that's what I've learned right now in my own restart journey. Not every week is dramatic. Not every step is exciting. Some days the win is just, I stayed the same today. But those small steps matter more than you realize because none used to be the norm. No structure, no consistency, no follow through, no energy, no belief in yourself. So if you're taking small steps right now, that's progress. And one day you are going to look back and realize that the life you rebuilt wasn't created in giant breakthrough moments. It was built on the tiny, consistent, quiet decisions nobody else saw or celebrated. The walk you almost skipped, the journal entry nobody read, the meal you made, the boundary you set, the morning you started again after falling off. That's how rebuilding actually happens. Not through perfection, but through repetition. You do not need to become a whole new woman overnight. You just need to keep showing up for yourself imperfectly, slowly, while you're healing and scared. So this week, don't measure your progress against someone else's timeline. Measure it against who you used to be. Celebrate the fact that you're trying, that you're becoming aware, that you're taking steps now when maybe a year ago you felt completely stuck. That matters. Small, consistent steps may not feel powerful in the moment, but I promise they are the exact thing that changes your life, brick by brick. Habit by habit, decision by decision. That's how women like us rebuild, not all at once, but one small step at a time. And if you're ready for more structure and support in your rebuilding journey, then join the Restart Life Mama community. It's linked in the description below. You'll get support, encouragement, community, gentle accountability, tips, and tools from women who are going through the same journey. Remember, you didn't choose this mess, but you do get to choose what comes next. We'll see you next week.